Aaron was always an excellent speaker. Early on, after that Times article got published, he got a call from a guy at the Concord, the resort in the Catskills, who said, "I read about you in the paper, and it sounds like a great act. I want you to come up to the Concord. There are a lot of Jews here, and I'd love to hear what you have to say." And he did. He went up. He did his presentation about the book center. And the guy was absolutely enthralled and took him to another booking agent and said, "You got to hear this act. Aaron, tell him about the books, the one about the books." And Aaron just, from the very beginning, had this wonderful way of engaging people and talking in a very enthusiastic and missionary way about the center. And we always knew that. And even in that time we were at Marjorie Guthrie's apartment, you could see that. And it was just a matter of getting him in front of the right people. You know, we had to get him dressed in the right kind of a suit and stop just ironing the front of his shirt and getting, ironed shirts on and cutting his hair and all that kind of thing. But in terms of the message he would convey, there was no problem. It was that way from the very beginning. Someone asked me once what the difference was. I don't see there being a tremendous difference in Aaron from what he was when he was 27 and at Hampshire College to what he is now. It's more polished, more sophisticated, more mature certainly, but the enthusiasm and the excitement and the innovation and the creative ideas are all were there, and as they are now.